Welcome to this class, Introduction to Blockchain Technology. This is a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. Introduction to Blockchain Technology, how blockchain works. A little bit about our instructor. Jim Sullivan has a BS in Electrical Engineering and a Master's in Computer Science, also holds an MBA. Jim is a Master IBM instructor, an O'Reilly media instructor, and a senior blockchain developer at BC Webmakers. As a software engineer with nearly 20 years experience, Jim leads an expert team in blockchain development, cloud application development, and is a safe agile methodologist. Jim is an expert in blockchain platforms like Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. There are no prerequisites for this class. Here's a list of topics we'll cover. The introduction to the blockchain technology and how ledgers work, blockchain structure and types, blockchain operation and mining, blockchain cryptology, blockchain consensus, distributed blockchain networks, blockchain versus database, the first and the second generations of blockchains, popular blockchain products, essentials of cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency fundamentals, blockchain regulatory structure, and we'll wrap up with blockchain use cases. You will take away from this class a solid learning, a solid knowledge of blockchain and technologies and how to apply it, and in where blockchain technology is applied and where it provides business advantage. Some follow-up classes, Introduction to Blockchain Cybersecurity, learning about Solidity programming, learn blockchain development with Corda, Hyperledger Fabric for developers, Ethereum blockchain development, Hyperledger Fabric for administrators, Hyperledger Sawtooth for administrators. Once again, thank you for taking this class and follow us on social media. We will talk in the session.